Hey, you there! You killed the street! Would you like to be my son for $500? Sure, man. What do I have to do? You can get that stupid accent! Okay. Hello, Pop. What are we going to do today? You're such a wiener! No, not a wiener. Don't call me a wiener, Dad. That's mean. You don't call me Pop. You call me Mister. No, don't swear in front of my golden little ears. You don't swear me, really. I want to, son. You're not even son. I don't even know who you are. You call me Mr. And get off my yard. What for? I need $500 for my vaudeville troupe. Hey, you don't happen to know that kid, the Smith kid? Yeah. I do. I do? Yeah, he's in the vaudeville troupe. Yeah, I just killed him a few hours ago. What? What? Go catch, son! I missed it! You fool! You smelly old grandma fool! Why are you so mean? You're a crotchety old man? Why are you so mean? Because I'm so fun to mess with you! And you can't get enough of it! But... Harold, the big guns! What? But who's Harold? Harold, my new bodyguard. He's a pleasant open weapon for you to shoot small children in the streets. Give me that large M80. Yeah, I know. That machine gun looks good. Bring me a machine gun. I'm getting out of here, Mom. It's cool. Go, kids. I missed it again. Sorry, that last one was me.